everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a tutorial on how to make a trendy designer pant with simple and easy instructions. Need a pant with a total length of 40 inches. So I cut and stitch the pant up to a length of 32 inches and the remaining length will be added as the design. This is the full leg open before stitching the crotch, that is the inner side of the pant. This measures up to 18 inches. Now let's draw a line 3 inches above the leg open. Next, on this line, I shall draw 3 inches squares as shown in the video. Next, let's cut it as shown but leave 0.25 inches at the end uncut. Turn to the reverse side of the pant and fold these squares as triangles as shown and press them with iron. Next, take a piece of fabric with the same width as the leg open and a length of 5 inches and mark lines as shown with a gap of 1 inches and stitch the vertical lines to form pin tucks. These pin tucks gives a nice texture to the fabric. Once done, place it on the pant as shown. Secure with pins and stitch along the zigzag lines. Next, take another piece of fabric with a length of 9 inches and a width similar to the leg open and draw a line as shown. Next, draw 3 inches squares on this line and cut it in the same way how we did before and fold the squares into triangles and press well with iron. Then place it on the top of the pant as shown and secure with pins and stitch the zigzag line. It's done, double fold the hem of the pant and add pearls to give more highlight and stitch the inner sides to complete your stylish pant. Drop a like if you found this tutorial useful and subscribe the channel for more useful and interesting videos. Until then, bye bye from Home and You.